For this presentation, I will talk about the endangered blue whales. They are found in deep offshore waters near the upper and lower northern southern hemispheres and the Arctic and Antarctic regions during their feeding season. During mating season, the blue whales will move to the warmer temperate waters to find a mating partner or bear offspring. They will then mate and rest in their newfound home for several months before migrating back towards the Arctic and Antarctic waters, where they live in during their feeding season. Blue whale is known to primarily consume krill, and in order to maintain their diet, they almost always found in areas with high concentration of krill. A single adult blue whale consumes about 4 tons of krill a day. They undergo sexual reproduction. Normally, they migrate near the equator to reproduce, and a female will give birth to a single offspring. Interesting facts about blue whales: they are the largest animal on the planet, and they grow up to 110 feet in length, and its heart is the size of a small car. They are also the loudest animal on the planet. The call of a blue whale reaches levels up to 188 decibels, much louder than a jet, which reaches only 140 decibels. They also help regulate the flow of food by helping to maintain a stable food chain and ensuring that certain animal species do not overpopulate the ocean. Like I said earlier, blue whale consume about 40 million krill per day, so you can imagine the impact of this would have on stabilizing the aquatic ecosystem if the blue whale species were to become extinct. At first, it may appear that other species are benefiting from no longer having to face predators such as whales, but over time, these animals will overpopulate and possibly destroy the population of other species that it feeds on. How blue whales became endangered and conservation. So, aggressive hunting in the 1900s by whalers seeking whale oil drove them to the brink of extinction. And between 1900s and the mid-1960s, some 360,000 blue whales were slaughtered. Because of their large size and supply of blubber, or the thick layer of fat, blue whales were an extremely popular species to hunt, and whalers would sell their blubber and body parts to suppliers who made various materials out of it. And there are 10,000 to 25,000 blue whales worldwide today. They do not have any known predators because of their size, except for humans, and they continue to be endangered because their habitat is becoming polluted and their prey becoming affected by climate change, and many are injured or die each year from impacts with large ships. Blue whales were almost whaled into extinction until they were declared protected by the International Whaling Commission in 1966. It's illegal for companies and individuals to continue hunting them, and now they are protected species, and anyone caught killing them could face fines and jail time. I think that genetic engineering can benefit blue whales by making their blubber tougher. Blubber plays an extremely important role in whales' life. Having blubber allows whales to maintain their body heat, because heat loss in water is 27 times greater than the temperature on land. So blue whales must adapt to the cool ocean temperatures to avoid excessive heat loss and to maintain metabolic activity. Some whales can also use their blubber for energy during times when food is scarce or during long trips, and also this could also help lessen injuries from ships or gears. Do I think organisms should come with us if we move to Mars? I think that if Mars had large enough oceans and become habitable and can support aquatic life from smallest to largest, and we find a safe way to transport animals, then I do think they should come with us. Why not? And these are my citation. This is my citation.